Is Gameloop using all your RAM while you're playing PUBG Mobile? How can you know? Because your FPS is dropping way too much. Well, here's the fix that is super simple and nobody talks about it, so let's go. A lot of users don't know that Gameloop runs background apps just like a regular phone. So one of them in this case is Facebook, which is eating the RAM memory. So this one is before making any changes, and you can see it's just going up and up. So 48% of RAM memory using, even we aren't doing anything besides recording with OBS and playing the PUBG. Yeah, I can definitely see like the lag, the FPS drop. Ah shit. Let's try to play a game on like Livik maybe, and let's see if the memory usage gonna go even up. So you can see that right now it's at 62, and it's just gonna increase by the time. Now let's see how we can fix this. So we're just gonna slide right here, press the settings button, go a little bit down, find the apps, you have the Facebook right here, just click disable app, and boom, the Facebook is gone, so the Gameloop is not gonna use Facebook anymore. We just go backwards, go to the game, give right here a refresh. That's all. Let's see now how the RAM memory is doing. As we can see right now it's at 45%, so it's much better.
The blue team has scored for the first time! The blue team is heading to a perfect win.
As you can see, the RAM memory usage is just 35%, even if we played the whole game. So, if this helped you, smash that like button and comment if it worked, so more people can find this. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes, hidden tricks, FPS boost for Gameloop Mobile, and a lot of other tutorials.